Lists of entertainment job websites. Chapter 1. People want to be entertained everywhere, especially on the weekend. Use meetup.com to network. Meetup.com has an arts and culture category and a music category. Find like-minded people in theater and the performing arts. Backstage.com is probably the biggest TV movie job website. Find information on the film and TV industries at backstage.com/resources. Backstage.com/magazine/category/advice. Major entertainment job websites. AACT.org/jobs, community theater. Applymate.com, Applymate, a free web app that helps you track job applications and organize college applications. CareerEducation.columbia.edu. CareerHonestOp.org, tools to help job seekers. CareersAdvices.fas.harvard.edu/channels/arts-film-tv-music-theater-comedy, creative arts pathways. CastingFrontier.com, auditions and casting calls. 11labs.io, AI voice models. EntertainmentCareers.net. EveryoneWho'sAnyone.com. Grammy.org, Grammy. Harvardwood.org. InsideJobs.com, facts on hundreds of possible careers. LearnHowToBecome.org, learn how to become. Masterclass.com. ProductionHub.com. ReadyPrepInterview.com, Ready, Prep, Interview. SagaFTRA.org, the merger of the Screen Entertainers Guild, SAG, and the American Federation of Television and Radio Artists, AFTRA. SportsCareerFinder.com, Sports Career Finder. StarNow.com, StarNow casting calls and creator jobs. The-modern-actor.com. TikTok.com/@SGCasting. A list of entertainment job websites at joinhandshake.com/blog/students/entertainment-industry-jobs-for-students. HydeParkEntertainment.com. DelhiRioFilms.com/TV. CrazyLegsProductions.com/about. NexusStar.tv. RoosterTeeth.com/about. ScreenMediaFilms.net/films. VoltagePictures.com/titles.aspx. Entertainment job websites from jobline.net/enter-t1.htm. EntertainmentCareers.net. EntertainmentJobs.com. EEJ.com. EntertainmentJobsNow.com. JACNED.com. RedStorm.com. ShowBizJobs.com. TVJobs.com. ArtJob.org. CrewNet.com. MediaBistro.com. FoxCareers.com. PrincetonOL.com/group/IAD/jobs/careers.html. ExecutiveZarch.tv. FilmStaff.com. TVAndRadiojobs.com. AirTalents.com. HollywoodEntertainmentJobs.com. VarietyMediaCareers.com. Media-entertainment-jobs.com. Greenlightjobs.com. Media and entertainment job websites. ABC.com. Activision.com. AMCtheaters.com. BadBoyOnline.com. Bertelsmann.com. BET.com. Bloomberg.com. C-span.org. CAA.com. CBS.com. Clearchannel.com. Comcast.com. COX.com. DirecTV.com. Discovery.com. DreamWorksAnimation.com. EA.com. EmiGroup.com. FOX.com. Gannett.com. HBO.com. LibertyMedia.com. LiveNation.com. Lucasfilm.com. MarthaStewart.com. MGM.com. MTV.com. NBCUNY.com. NewsCorp.com. Nintendo.com. Paramount.com, PBS.org, Pixar.com, RegalCinemas.com, Reuters.com, Sirius.com, SonyBMG.com, Take2Games.com, TimeWarner.com, uMusic.com, Univision.com, USANetwork.com, Viacom.com, Virgin.com, VivendiUniversal.com, WMA.com, WMG.com, Arts and Entertainment job websites. Entertainmentcareers.net, Entertainmentcareers.net, job listings in the entertainment industry. Philcrow.com/page9.htm, Philcrow Media Staffing, provides recruitment services to radio, TV cable broadcasters, multinational media and entertainment conglomerates, record labels, major corporations developing or initiating their own internal media resources. Forums.delphiforums.com/promusic, professional music forum, forum for people pursuing professional careers in the music business, message board where music professionals share their experiences with newcomers. MediaCentral.net, Media Central, worldwide media production staffing. PAW.com, Performing Arts Artists Worldwide, PAAW, a worldwide directory of official organizations of the performing arts, film music industry production their professionals thereof. Showbizjobs.com, Showbizjobs.com, employment for film, television, recording, multimedia and entertainment industry related companies. Twinsworld.com/casting.html, Dreammakers Casting Agency, the only talent agency exclusively for twins multiples for print, TV film. WarnerBrosCaros.com, Warner Brothers. Entertainment internship websites. Emmys.com/internship, Academy of Arts and Sciences internships. Careers.adidas-group.com/student-and-graduates.aspx, Adidas internships. betcareers.viacom.com/internships.html, bet internships. cbsnews.com/news/cbs-news-internship-program, CBS News Internship Program. cpb.org/jobline, Corporation for Public Broadcasting Internships. profinterns.disneycareers.com/n/default, Disney Professional Internships. harvardwood.org, Harvardwood Summer Internship Program. jobsinsports.com, Jobs in Sports. The Madison Square Garden Company.com/careers/student-opportunities.html, Madison Square Garden Group Student Opportunities. mlb.mlb.com/careers/index.jsp, Major League Baseball. nba.com/careers/internship_program.html, NBA internships. nbconikaros.com/r-career-path/campus-2-career-internship-program, NBC Universal Internship Program. nfl.com/careers/internships, NFL internships. hockeyjobs.nhl.com/teamwork/jobs/jobs.cfm/internships =subcat=222, NHL internships. jobs.nike.com/article/internships, Nike internships. npr.org/about-181881227/internships-at-npr, NPR internships. octagon.com/join_r_team/trainee, Octagon trainee program. secure.sonypictures.com/corp/searchjobs.html, Sony Pictures internships.